ஹாய் எவ்ரி ஒன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர் டாபிக். ஸோ இந்த டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர் டாப்பிக்கில் பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு we have to know about what is transformer. Transformer is a static device which transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another, the process of the electromagnetic current. By using the electromagnetic current, the static device that is the transformer is transferring electrical energy from one circuit into another circuit is called transformer. Next, we are going to see about the type of transformer. According to service oriented type, it can be classified into step up transformer, step down transformer, power transformer and distribution transformer. These four types comes under the service oriented type transformer. Next, we are going to see about the connection oriented type transformer, that is single phase and three phase transformer. Then auto transformer is one type of the transformer. Again, we are going to see the constructional wise type transformer. According to the construction of the transformer type, it can be classified into two types. The first one is core type and the second one is shell type transformer. That is the device which is derived output equation of single phase and three phase transformer. Now we are going to see about the single phase transformer explanation. First of all, what is mean by the single phase transformer function? The equation which relates the rated kVA output of a transformer to the area of core and window is called output equation. What is the topic? What is the main process of this single phase transformer? The output equation, it is depends upon the area of core. This is the area of the core and the window is called the window with the W suffix. W is nothing but the width of the window. HW is nothing but height of the window. Okay, so the output equation mainly depends upon the flux density and ampere turns. The induced EMF in a transformer E, it is represented as E. E equal to 4.44 F pi m into T. So this is the main equation of the transformer. Okay, then the EMF per turn, that is the ET, turn of the EMF is known as ET, equal to 4.44 F pi m T divided by the turns, that is the number of the turns. Okay, so it get cancelled and we can get the equation like 4.44 F pi m. Then the window space factor, that is KW, is the ratio of the conductor. So KW is depends upon the conductor area and area of window. So the equation is, what is the equation? KW equal to AC divided by AW, conductor area and the window area. Here if we want to get define the AC value mean, we can get AC equal to KW into AW. So let us form, this is equation 1. Next, we have to find out the total copper area in the window. So the total copper area AC is equal to the formula copper area of primary winding plus copper area of secondary winding. Transformer having two windings, you know, the primary winding and the secondary winding. The two winding area copper can be added here. Okay, the AC here, the AC is depends upon the copper area of primary and secondary winding. This copper area of primary winding is depends on that number of primary turns and area, and the copper area of secondary turns consist secondary turns and area of winding. Okay, so here it can be subdivided into the turns, primary turns. Here it can be subdivided into secondary turns and area of winding. So we can write the equation like AC, total copper area AC, equal to TP. What is here? What is T suffix P? TP is nothing but the primary turns into the area of primary winding, plus TS is nothing but secondary turns into the area of secondary winding. Okay, then next equation. Here we have to know about already the equation is AP equal to IP divided by delta. So the primary winding area, this is nothing but the primary winding area, and this is nothing but the secondary winding area. So the secondary winding area A is equal to IS divided by the current density value. Here we can apply this value to the AP term. So TP into, instead of AP we can substitute IP divided by delta, plus TS, instead of AS we can substitute IS divided by delta. So we can get the value AC equal to, we can take the common delta value outside, 1 by delta into TP into IP plus TS into IS. That is, this is considered the primary and this is considered the secondary winding. Okay, then the next equation is AC equal to 1 by delta. Next we can write it the term as, let us consider it is considered as the AP. So this we can write AP and this we can write AT. Okay, this we can write AT and this we can write AT. So the combination of the equation comes to 280. We can add this 280 divided by the delta value. This is the equation number 2. Okay, the next, substitute equation 1 in equation 2. We can get the equation like KW into AW equal to 280 divided by delta. If we have to find out the total turn value, ampere turn value means AT equal to KW AW into delta divided by 2. Next, the KVA rating of single phase transformer. The formula of the KVA rating of single phase transformer is Q equal to VP IP into 10 to the power of minus 3. We have already know about the Q value is the combination of, that is the multiplication of voltage, primary voltage value and primary current value into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here we can divide and multiply by primary turns in equation 3. So we can get the equation VP divided by TP and IP multiplication of TP into 10 to the power of 3. Here we can divide and multiply the TP value. Okay, so finally we can get the equation Q equal to ET, that is this value comes under ET and this value is, instead of we can substitute this IP TP value, we can get AT into 10 to the power of minus 3. So let us consider this is the equation number 4. Substitute this ET value and AT value in equation number 4. We can get Q equal to 4.44 F pi m and KW AW delta divided by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Where then we can cancel this value. We can get Q equal to 2.22 F pi m KW AW delta into 10 to the power of minus 3 kVA. Okay, then we know what is the pi m value means. Pi m is equal to Bm into AT value, magnetic flux density into the ampere turns. So Q equal to 2.22 F Bm AI KW AW into the frequency value F into 10 to the power of minus 3 kVA. So here AI is nothing but the ion area in meter square. Thank you.